Hello friends, welcome to the ITCS with MAK YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about how we can install DVWA in our Kali Linux machine. DVWA is an application where you can practice web hacking or bug bounty hunting. We will install DVWA with the help of Docker. First, let's open our terminal and give it root permissions. Now, to install Docker, type the command apt-install-docker.io. Our processing will start. It may take some time, so please wait. Docker has been successfully installed in our Kali Linux machine. Next, open your web browser and search for Penteus Lab GitHub. Open the given link. Here, you can see that apart from DVWA, there are many other vulnerable web applications, like BWAPP, Mutility, OWASP Juice Shop, and more. You can install whichever you want from here. The process for installing all of them is the same. We will be installing DVWA, so first, we'll copy its code and clone it in our terminal using git clone. Now we'll go into the next directory, cd penteslab. Here we can see our file penteslab.sh. We'll run this file with the command /penteslab.sh list. You can now see the list of all available Penteus applications. From here, we will install DVWA on our Kali machine using the command /penteslab.sh start dvoa. You can see that the DVWA entry has been added to our /etc/hosts file, and the downloading process has started. This download may take 2 to 3 minutes depending on your internet speed. Now our DVWA application has been successfully installed. Next, copy its IP address and paste it into your web browser. As you can see, we have been redirected to the DVWA web page. Now we need to enter the username and password. The default username is admin, and the password is password. Scroll down and click Create/Reset Database. You'll be redirected back to the login page. Enter the same credentials again, admin and password, and here we go, we are now inside DVWA.
ये था हमारा DVWA का इंस्टॉलेशन काली लिनक्स मशीन में। तो आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं हमें काफी सारे ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं अटैकिंग के पेनिट्रेशन टेस्टिंग में, लाइक ब्रूट फोर्स, SQL इंजेक्शन, क्रॉस साइट स्क्रिप्टिंग, और भी काफी सारे ऑप्शन मिलते हैं जहाँ पर आप अपनी वेब हैकिंग एंड बग बाउंटी स्किल्स की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो। अब मैं आपको यहाँ पर इसको स्टॉप करना बताता हूँ। इसे स्टॉप कर देते हैं हम। तो आपने देखा कैसे हमने यहाँ पर डैम वल्नरेबल वेब एप्लीकेशन को खाली लिनक्स में इंस्टॉल किया और एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन भी देखा। बस इस वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।